Look, Mama. This is the other cow. He's waving.
Yeah.
The new. Oh, this one is new, Action. That's
Sorry na,
one.
baby. Parihan na sa kwan. Like for Ryan. Tara na. Sa Ilibay?
Add some more.
Tara. What is that?
This one.
Mahal ini, Clyde. Expensive.
Yeah, Mama. We must use this one. Who does this, Mama?
Lon.
This one, Mama, is it. This one. Oh, Mama, that one, Mama, do you know the K-Hotel?
Tara. Tara. What is this, baby? It's expensive.
Okay.
You put it back there.
Wala ko to.
Expensive na to.
Wala ko
Just lang your cheapest one.
Is from this one?
Oh, you just lang the cheapest one.
Something. Wait, we choose one.
Libog ng tanong bata.
Where is it?
Love is in the air.
Kaya choose na.
Racing the Love Month with the I Wanna Be With You raffle promo. I Wanna Be With
Wait.
You raffle promo. With a minimum
That's great.
spend of just 500 pesos, get a chance to
That
win.
is
May mga guba lang itong ha. O mga wara lang
the
ito.
knife.
With the knife.
So hurry, head to your
Yun daw.
But the food.
store from
How much is that?
31, 2025. And get in the mood for love with Mr. DIY's I Wanna Be With You.
Mamawok, mamawok.
I Wanna Be With You raffle promo.
Like.
Oh, 66.
Oh,
66.
Series of 2025.
Wait. Mawok the sound up there, Mamawok.
Where?
Up there.
O sige, tara na.
Oh, no. How down there?
Indonesia and in the Philippines. Mr. DIY. Mr. DIY. Always low prices.
Mama, the phone is like that. Where is that?
You're tuned in to Mr. DIY Radio.
Papa, what are you doing, Papa? Why you follow us, Papa? Because you want to live it?
Pwede na ito.
Push maway by blow ang push.
Yeah.
Sa push.
Ito, pila lang.
Bukan may mewo.
Didi.
Ah,
Dili, ito na mo. Hala, wala na.